All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful white with black interior, premium sound system, steering with controllers, backup camera, heated seats, 29,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. This curbing, that's just some dirt. And let's check out your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is just under 730 seconds as well. Nice shot at your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this truck. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. It is a push start system. Does come AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. Got your heated seats back here. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side, which is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have a traction control light on, and there's your mileage of 29,728. That pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keeping it moving. Looks good. Got your blind side assistance. All that good stuff. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders and rear AC vents. Coming around the rear bumper, looks pretty good. A heavy scratch there, about an inch. That's what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire up under here with some tools and such. Check out pictures for more details. A little chippy here on this bumper as well. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Now you said I see curbing, tire thread, just under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes. I mean, the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread is just under 730 seconds as well. Headlights are working. Car is running smooth. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Rogue SV model with SV all-wheel drive model with 29,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.